Where were you last night?
محاكا كلافي ورنيو I'm a free man.
أنا أساسي لذا همية سقجان يو.
ها محا. How do you want me to talk to you?
أنا كوكين ميشان. I am your owner. I brought you here. Now you talk to me like nigga yo.
Hell yes, you also told me ilahi brothers. So screw you, I'm free in this country.
How are you free? You are an animal.
Sorry sahib, there is something called animal rights here in this country. So go fuck it yourself. I've had enough of your lectures.
Allah ba'aye.
Why? Why?
Wargelki ya ighoche. This is what I deserve now?
Look Guled, I am being nice to you.
Warya, you call me Guled now. When you used to call me Ma'alin?
Exactly. I am being nice to you by calling you your name at least. You calling me Gail.
Aren't you Gail?
Aren't you a piece of har?
I am human Warya. And you are Hayawan. There is a big difference between Adanaha and your Hayawanka.
Exactly. You are a piece of shit.
You call humans piece of shit?
Yes, you've destroyed our beautiful earth, killed the animal ruthlessly, brought coronavirus, and above all, you kill each other and you only know froggy style, not doggy style.
Froggy and doggy at shay gaysit mahitahay.
Yes, you heard me.
It gays Gail.
First of all, stop calling me Gail. My name is George, so call me George, please.
George Allah subhanaka ya azim. Wali is galay meshan.
What is wrong with my name?
That's magagalet warya. Saqjan yaw.
Who told you that? I don't know where you get your education from.
YouTube كان 10 كدقيسناي. مركز وحان أركي.
Stop. You get your education from YouTube? No wonder you are empty head.
كيلو. I mean George. أعوذ بالله أفكي قبل ما بصو مراي مقعان أو قدسن George.
Well, you need to say 100 times for you to learn.
بسنك يو. George.
Stop there. Enough.
Edigaysa Gil, we've been together for 7 years since you were born in Badiyaha, and we've been in Canada for now 3 years. I have taken care of you all this time. So now, haygo kibirin saqajan yaw.
Look Gule, we can still be friends, and I like you. You are nice, but I just can't tolerate when you treat me like a slave.
We were together all this time, and I took care of you when you were sick, fed you, and brought you to this country for a better life. And now you're leaving me. This is my amal.
Suk, stop crying. No one is leaving you. We are still together, and I really appreciate what you have done for me. And I know in Adhokhantihit, all what you need is a wife.
Wallahi warunta.
Okay, fear adiga. Maharabta. Adan alab ur. Misimido dawamufo. Hindi hawaj basbas.
What else?
And Mexican loose ambulo.
هديسي في عنه فكره عمبولها وحلة كساي واي.
بس don't worry أنا إيقوقتهاي.